Welcome to Jamaica from the Outside, where Jamaican roots run deep and wide, celebrating stories, flavors, and adventures. From home and across the world, let's dive in. Well, hello, family. Thanks for joining me in another episode. I hope you're all having a great week so far. Some of you may remember last year around this time, I showcased a very young and talented group of dancers from Jamaica called Eastern Rangers. They visited and did a stunning performance at the MLK parade. Well, guess what? This year, they're back. And I want to share with you two videos. One is a video of a performance that was done on Sunday, January 18th at International Harvest Church in Orlando. And the second is a stunning performance on MLK Day in Tampa, Florida. Guys, sit back, relax, and be prepared to be entertained. Guys, thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video. I really appreciate it. Now, if you want to show your support to the group, please go ahead, reach out to Monte. His number is on the screen, and he will be very happy to hear from you. So, until next time, guys, ciao.